Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have discussed various things about Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, we have learned how to start a Microsoft PowerPoint. What are the various parts of Microsoft PowerPoint along with their utilities. Today, we are going to learn about how to insert and delete slides, how to close a presentations. So let us start. Inserting and deleting a slide. Slide means Microsoft PowerPoint page or sheet. Okay. Individual sheet of Microsoft PowerPoint is called as a slide. To insert a new slide, follow the steps given below. Under the Insert tab, select the arrow below New Slide. Select a layout from the options and create a new slide. Let's start. First of all, we have to open Microsoft PowerPoint. I am showing you the way to open Microsoft PowerPoint. So under the Insert tab, here is the Insert tab. Click it. Select the arrow below New Slide. Okay, here. New Slide. Okay. Blank presentation, or there are some predefined style of presentations are also there. Okay. So we have to click on blank presentation. So this type of presentation will appear whenever we insert a new slide. Now, to delete a slide, for example, we have created this type of file. Here is another slide. I have created two slides here. This one is the first slide and this one is the second slide. You can see here slide number 1, slide number 2. We have learned how to insert a slide. Now we are going to learn how to delete a slide. To delete a slide, follow the steps given below. Select the slide to be deleted. Press on the delete button on the keyboard. So we have to select the slide. Select means to click the left mouse button on the slide. Then the slide will be selected. Then we have to click on the delete option that is given on the keyboard, or we have to right click here. Delete slide options appeared here. We have just click it. Then the slide gets deleted. Okay. Now saving a presentation. How to say how after finishing our work on Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, I have created 10 to 12 slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. After finishing my work, how I am going to save that presentation in my computer memory. Now that a new presentation has been created, it is time to save it. To save a presentation, follow the steps given below. Select the file tab, then click on Save As option. Select the location to save the file. Type the file name in the field. Enter the file name here and click on Save. The file is saved with a .pptx extension. Okay, let's do it. I have created this slide. Okay, there are two slides present on this Microsoft PowerPoint. Now I am going to save this. So how I am going to save this? First, select the file tab. Select the file tab. Then Save As option here. Save As option. Click it. Now we have to choose the location where we are going to save it. Okay, we have to browse the location. For example, I want to save it on desktop or a computer screen. So I have to click on desktop. Then I have to change the file name. For example, standard 3 PowerPoint presentation. Okay, PPT. Save it. And now I can close the PowerPoint here. You can see the PowerPoint presentation appeared here. That means all my work are saved on this place. To open that already saved file, I have to just click on it. See, now open page number 68. Opening an existing presentation. It means we have already a presentation that is saved on our PC. Now we are going to open it. So how? The easiest way to open an existing presentation by double clicking the file where it is saved. The steps to open it from the Microsoft PowerPoint application windows are given below. Okay, so basically there are two steps. First, there are two ways to open a already saved Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. First one is to browse the location where the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation sheet is already present. Then we have to double click it. And another way to open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is this one. Okay, there are three steps involved in second stage. First stage, first way to find the Microsoft PowerPoint and double click it, and it will open. So this one is the easiest way. Second way, how to open? Second way, click on the file tab, then select open option. Search the folder location and select the file to be opened. We have to search the folder location. I have already saved this folder on desktop. That's why I have selected desktop. Then now I am going to search where is it here. This one or in anyone. Okay. For example, this one is another Microsoft presentation. Then we have to select it, then open. Okay. This one is a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So there are two ways to open a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, which I have already shown you. Next, Page number 69. Closing a presentation. So here we are going to learn how to close a presentation. To close a presentation, follow the steps given below. Select the file tab on the top left corner. Click on the close option. How? Let's see. For example, this one is the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation that we have already opened. Now, how we are going to close it? Click on the file tab, then click on the close option. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to exit Microsoft PowerPoint. It means how to close Microsoft PowerPoint application. We have learned how to close that particular sheet, but now we are going to learn how to close Microsoft PowerPoint application. This one, like you are closing the chapter, okay, or when I ask you to close this chapter, open a new chapter, then we are going, you are going to close chapter number 4, then open chapter number 5, that is present on the same book. But in case of existing the Microsoft PowerPoint is equals to, I am telling you to close your computer book, open your GK book. In that case, you are going to close your computer book completely, then open another book. So here we are going to learn how to exit Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to exit Microsoft PowerPoint? Click on the close cross button on the top right corner of the screen. Here, top right corner, there is a cross button. Okay. Whenever I move the mouse pointer towards it, it shows close. Okay. You can clearly see that it shows close. I have to just click on it. Then Microsoft PowerPoint application got closed. So this chapter is finished.